So it's been a while since I've created a map using Old World Style Set 1. It's the original Old World Style set, probably the most complete for a starter set that we have. A lot of our sets build on each other, are meant to work with each other, including Old World Set 1. But Old World Set 1, if you're creating a world map, is probably one of the easiest to use. In this, I've gone ahead and set up a file 20 by 20 with a grid ratio for each grid piece, grid square at 140 by 140. So I've brought in all my tile sheets. There's 5 tile sheets for set 1. And up here, I'm going to go ahead and start. One of the things I did was I created a simple sketch. So I'm going to go up here and right click and add an image layer. Then I'm going to right click on that layer, go to layer properties, and in the left hand side, the image over here, the properties, image layer properties opens up. Click on this little right box with the left mouse, and then click again on the 3 dots, and I'm going to pull in my thumbnail sketch. Boom. Now I've got that. I'm going to go ahead and take down the opacity on that layer just by up here, the opacity bar, and I'm going to go ahead and lock that layer. Old World Style Set 1 I had set to a grid, so it's probably one of the easier ones to go ahead and start using a tile layer with. And from there, let's just start drawing the landmass. So I'm going to fill in some of these tiles inside here. And let's see what I want to do. And it's not going to be exactly like the sketch, but it will get me close enough. We'll put it back there, and we'll put fill in the land. And this is it. This is pretty much you're just playing around. And I think I'm going to kind of give some interest to some of this. That up there. Let's swing out the land over here a little bit. What do you think? And boom. You gotta love when a plan comes together. And I want to swing that out because I got that little nubbin right there. And I'm going to swing that out right there. And as I mentioned before, you can use other tiles with this. Let's swoop in the land like that. What else do we have? Oh, we got a little land bridge right here. So let's put the land bridge down so we can connect our islands. Do we have another one? No, let's just add that there. So we have to change a little bit of the map structure. But what I can do is we're going to put another little islet right here. A little river that's dividing 2 land masses. This is the one drawback with set 1, is I cannot overlap these layers. So I've got to figure out a way in order to jigsaw this together. so that the islands fit. And we'll just grab both of those. Kind of a cool little piece. Feel free to scrub a forward. And that's too similar. There we go. It used to be, yes. One thing that I've learned in Tiled is while you're hovering, if you hit X or Y, Y will change the vertical, X will change the horizontal. So that does make things a little bit easier. And we're going to bring this in. So you can end up creating just a little bit more variation. Da, 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 da. We'll just set this down. Let's swoop that out. And put another one here. Close that in. And this is Old World. Now I'm just going to create my continent. Going through. If I want to create this island up here, let's go ahead and create that. We'll make it really kind of, I don't want to make it too big. That's too big. Too big. Yeah. One island. Fill it with some water. And we'll add the other island real quick. And remember that drawback I mentioned? This is a drawback. They can't make some of the islands diagonal too small. Unfortunately, it happens. So I got to expand that island out. So I'm going to just bump one tile there, then we can bring it up. And there's our other island. And fill in with some more water up here. Whoops. Control Z to undo. I just covered up some of the work I was doing. And now, whoop, again, Control Z. Yay for Control Z. And that's the start of lesson 1. In the next video, we'll bring in the fully background map and we'll start placing land masses and different features. So thanks for watching.